Hey everyone! Welcome to a brand new era of marketing, where technology and creativity come together to make your business unstoppable. Imagine having a marketing team that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to help you grow your business, no matter what time it is. Sounds like a dream, right? A team that's always on, always creative, and always delivering results. Well, meet MarketingBlocks, the all-in-one AI marketing assistant that's about to change how you run your business forever. This isn't just another tool, it's your new secret weapon. Here's the deal. MarketingBlocks is like having 100 employees at your fingertips, each one an expert in their field, ready to tackle any marketing task you throw at them. No more juggling freelancers or worrying about hiring the right talent. Need a stunning landing page that converts visitors into customers? Done. Just a few clicks and you've got a professional, high-converting page ready to go live. Looking for 3 months of social media content complete with auto-scheduled posts and engagement tools? Piece of cake. MarketingBlocks can brainstorm, write, and schedule your posts, so you can focus on building relationships and growing your brand. And that's just the beginning. The possibilities are endless when you have AI working for you around the clock. This AI powerhouse can whip up engaging promo videos using stock avatars, or even train on a few selfies to create realistic, personalized content. No need to step in front of a camera if you don't want to. Imagine launching a video campaign in minutes, not days. How cool is that? You get to be the face of your brand or let AI do the talking for you. The choice is yours. But wait, there's more. MarketingBlocks is packed with features designed to make your life easier and your business more profitable. Whether it's crafting lead magnets like ebooks and checklists, designing eye-catching graphics, or generating killer marketing copy, MarketingBlocks has got you covered. You can create professional-grade materials in minutes, not hours. It can even handle emails for cold outreach, follow-ups, and sales promos. Imagine having perfectly written emails sent out automatically, helping you close more deals and nurture leads without lifting a finger. Looking to boost your ads and paid media? MarketingBlocks can analyze your campaigns, suggest improvements, and even design new ads tailored to your audience. This assistant can do that too, from creative design to targeting and strategy. It's like having a digital ad agency in your pocket, ready to launch your next big campaign. And for the bloggers and e-commerce folks, you'll find the content creation game changed forever. From product descriptions to blog posts, everything is handled with a few clicks, freeing up your time for what matters most. Now let's talk about automation. Imagine automating not just your marketing, but your entire workflow, saving you hours every single week. With over 100 AI employees at your command, you can automate tasks like customer support, appointment bookings, sales, training, and content generation. Your business runs smoother, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. Plus, AI chat agents are there to handle customer inquiries or even serve as bot lead magnets, capturing leads and answering questions 24/7. Never miss a sales opportunity again. And for the SEO enthusiasts out there, MarketingBlocks comes with AI SEO specialists to optimize your content and boost your search visibility. Get found by more customers and climb the search rankings with ease. You get the full package, including courses, memberships, payments, automations, forms, and surveys. Everything you need to run and scale your business is right here in one powerful platform. So if you're ready to transform your marketing game and give your business the upgrade it truly deserves, hit the link below to try MarketingBlocks for free. Experience the future of marketing today. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this.